In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving announcement bar in Shopify. A moving or scrolling announcement bar is a great way to highlight promotions, shipping details, or important updates right at the top of your store. I'll walk you through the entire setup using a popular app, and by the end, you'll have a fully customized marquee style bar running across your site. First, log into your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see the main search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down, choose the option to search within your apps. In the search field, type Hexstum and press Enter on your keyboard. In the search results, look for the app called Hexstum Quick Announcement Bar. Click on it, then click the Install button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This only takes a moment and sets up the app in your store. Once the app is installed and you're inside the Hexstum Announcement Bar dashboard, you'll see an option that says Enable App Embed. Click that. Shopify will automatically open your online store editor. On the left-hand side, look for the toggle labeled QAB Course Snippet and switch it on. This activates the bar on your theme. After turning it on, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. When that's done, look back to the left panel and click the Manage App link to return to the Hexstum dashboard. Now that you're back in Hexstum, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Create New Bar. This is where you design how your moving announcement will look and behave. Start by choosing the message type. You'll see options like standard, stacked, sliding, or fading, and marquee. To create a continuously scrolling message, select marquee. Then choose a style template that's closest to the look you want. As you make changes, pay attention to the live preview on the right side of the screen so you can see exactly how everything will appear on your store. Give your bar a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you create multiple bars. Next, add your message content. This might be a promo, a shipping note, or any key information. Choose the scrolling direction, either left or right, and adjust the scrolling speed until it feels smooth but readable. You can also decide whether to include a close button by checking or unchecking the box. From here, customize the design details. Set your font style and font size, and adjust the padding so the text has enough space and doesn't feel cramped. Then set your text color and background color. You can control background opacity with a value between 0 and 1, where 0 is fully transparent and 1 is completely solid. You can also choose a background style, such as a single color, a gradient, a pattern image, or a fitted image, depending on how bold you want the bar to be. If you'd like to make the bar more eye-catching, you can add effects. Click Add Motion and choose from options like colorful orbs, snowfall, holiday themes, and more. Use these sparingly so your announcement stays readable. Finally, review the display configurations and targeting settings. Here you can control where and when the bar appears and who sees it. There is also an option to add custom code if you need more advanced behavior. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. This publishes your new moving announcement bar based on the settings you chose. To confirm it's working, head over to your online store, refresh the page, and look at the top. You should now see your newly added marquee announcement bar scrolling smoothly across your site.